Life is a very unpredictable thing, with its many twists and turns and unexpected changes, and sometimes we find ourselves walking on the wrong path. It's like you took a small detour, and suddenly you find yourself on the opposite side of where you were meant to be. In this video, we are going to talk about the signs you are on the wrong path in life. In our busy and rapidly changing world, it's important to stay focused and live a life that aligns with your dreams, aspirations, and goals. So, if you relate to these 8 signs you are on the wrong path in life, then don't worry, because once you understand what you're doing wrong. Before we dive in, I would greatly appreciate if you subscribe to this channel. Wisdom stories will help you to change gears and get back on life's track. So, are you ready to know signs you are on the wrong path? 1. You feel like you're lying to yourself. One of the biggest signs you're on the wrong path is when you find it hard to speak your truth. You often keep your feelings to yourself, or avoid sharing what you're really feeling to protect yourself. This leads to a lot of internal conflict and turmoil, which is usually quite painful. You tend to hide the truth because you're worried about how others might react or feel. Avoiding the truth might make you feel better for the time being. It will only end up hurting you in the long run. 2. You have a very pessimistic mindset. We are surrounded by negativity, so naturally, it's quite easy to only focus on the things that are not working out or the things that are going wrong. Choosing to be negative all the time will only make you more pessimistic, leading you to believe that everything is limited. For example, if you keep telling yourself, "I don't have enough money, I need more," you'll start to believe it, even though you earn a lot. However, if you adjust how you think about it and try to be grateful for what you have, then you can shake off that feeling of scarcity. You hesitate to go all in. This is one of the subtle signs you're on the wrong path. We all know that hard work leads to great accomplishments, and success only comes to those who give it their all. However, these days, quick fixes and shortcuts have become the name of the game, with most people wanting quick solutions to everything. For example, if you have a migraine, chances are you will instantly pop a pill to get rid of the pain instead of going for natural remedies that might take a longer time, but will heal from the roots. Unfortunately, no shortcut can take the place of genuine, old-school effort and commitment that really helps you progress. If you're passionate about something, dive into it with your all and leave no stone unturned to become a success story. 4. You are stuck in your comfort zone. This is another one of the subtle signs you are on the wrong path. Staying within your comfort zone means you're on the wrong path in life. It might feel like you're doing well, but it will only hold you back in the long run. Your comfort zone might include a job that pays all your bills, but leaves you feeling miserable. It could also make you stay in a relationship that you're not happy with, but you won't leave because you have invested a lot of time in it. Your dreams will never come true if you don't make the choice to break out of your comfort zone. A rut and a grave are alike, except for how deep they are. Comfort zones are warning signs, not trophies, because life's supposed to be about the trip, not just the end point. 5. You indulge in toxic and unhealthy habits. Unhealthy habits like using drugs, being addicted to social media, overeating and alcohol abuse are just some of the signs you are on the wrong path in life. You are basically trying to deal with the emptiness within you with these toxic habits. However, you are just harming yourself in the long run. These habits might make you feel better for a short while. However, if you're not careful, they could destroy everything. Kicking these bad habits is tough, but it's possible if you're committed to your goals and use solid techniques to get back on track. 6. You don't live for yourself anymore. You live for others. Being helpful and caring for others is great, but don't forget to strike a balance. When your care and concern for others go overboard, that's where the problem starts, because going too far with something can quickly turn into an issue. You need to remember that it's your life, and no matter how kind you are, you cannot keep on putting yourself last. Making yourself a priority is not just important, it's necessary. You need to start focusing on yourself and your well-being so you can concentrate on reaching your personal goals and move away from the wrong path in life. 7. You are scared of being scared. You're scared to leave your job because you're scared you won't find another one, even though you're absolutely miserable. You are scared of leaving your abusive partner because you are scared of being alone for the rest of your life. You are constantly afraid of failing, which is why you choose to remain in spaces that are bad for you. Well, it takes courage to change. Even when your inner voice is telling you to give something new a chance, you still choose not to because you are too afraid. So you stay stuck in the same place and keep yourself busy all the time so that you can't ever hear your spirit and instinct calling out to you to please make a change. 8. You don't take proper care of your health. One of the major signs you're on the wrong path is when you stop taking care of your health. Health is wealth might be an old adage, but it's still true, and it always be. Your health is all you have, and if you choose to forgo it, you are simply giving up on life. Being on the right track doesn't always mean more money, success, and having fancy things. If your health is not in the right place, then there's no point to all of this. Putting your health in the back seat clearly shows that you're on the wrong path in life. Do you relate to any of these signs you're on the wrong path in life? What other things are you struggling with right now? Do let us know your thoughts in the comments down below.